You look tired. I don't sleep well anymore. Because of your mother?
Why'd she have to die?
Stay with me, Mom.
Why couldn't I save her? I know I could have.
From the moment I met you, all those years ago, not a day has gone by when I haven't thought of you.
Anakin, all I want is your love.
Love won't save you, Padme. Only my new powers can do
At
that.
what cost? You're a good person. Don't do this.
I won't lose you the way I lost my mother.
You were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them!
I'm sorry, Anakin.
Bring balance to the Force, not leave it in darkness!
I know there is good in you.
It is too late for me, son. Anakin's gone. I am what remains.
What have I done?
I think our lives are about to be destroyed.